Yep, it's me again, guys. I got another car here. Customers state that every time you start the car on cold, hear some exhaust leak, like loud exhaust leak coming from the front. Look like come from the exhaust manifold, but when the engine get hot, the exhaust leak goes away. Is that normal to you? So what do you guys think, guys? If you could share your experience with us, let us know. Thank you, guys. Sound like exhaust manifold. I can smell it. Look like it went away. Still here on this side right here. Look like soft manifold, gasket, or it's cracked. We don't know. So definitely there's a problem with it. Not from here.